Hi, I'm Marcela Bogado. I'm originally from Argentina, but I came from Austin, Texas. And I'm really excited to be at the KR Collective. I am very passionate about Kathy Romero, and I follow her. She's amazing, and she's really powerful and intentional and game-changing. And after these 2 days, I truly felt that. I really have a really mindful change of many new ideas and work areas that I will go and implement in my business. I'm very excited because I know it will definitely be a base to the change that I was looking for, and I got this in these 2 days here.